That's a sad one to deal with, and of course, following up with details. We move to the courts again, where Kuresoi North Member of Parliament Alfred Mutai is set to appear in court today in relation to an incident where he allegedly shot and injured 3 people during a confrontation at a political event in Kuresoi North. 12 of his supporters who were allegedly involved in the chaos were presented in court yesterday and released on cash bail. Mutai surrendered himself at the Nakuru DCI headquarters yesterday evening, after which he was detained at the Nakuru Central Police Station. Ken Gashohi with that report.
Thank you very much, Ndu. Indeed, we are still here at the Nakuru Law Courts, where we are still following up the case of the Kuresoi North Member of Parliament, who was detained yesterday at Nakuru Central Police Station after he presented himself in the company of his lawyer and Rongai Member of Parliament, Mr. Paul Chebor. And yesterday, the issue was about a shooting incident that occurred on Friday in Kuresoi North, where his supporters and those of Governor Susan Kihika clashed, and we ended up having 3 people sustaining gunshot wounds. And it was said that maybe the firearm that was used at that particular incident belonged to the Member of Parliament of Kuresoi North, Mr. Alfred Mutai. At the moment, he is still being held at Nakuru Central Police Station, where he spent the night. And at the moment, I have his lawyer here. Maybe you can just tell us what exactly transpired at the DCI headquarters here in Nakuru County when you presented your client there.
Thank you very much. Yesterday, Honorable Mutai voluntarily presented himself before the DCIO office in Nakuru to record a statement, to give his side of the story of what really transpired on the 19th. He did that, he recorded this statement, and unfortunately, while we tried to seek for him to be released on a police cash bail, it seems that the police were getting some orders from above. So they decided to detain him, which actually violated his constitutional rights. Yet he had voluntarily presented him there, he was not arrested. It was very, very unfortunate. Yes. And
maybe what is happening since morning? Have you managed to contact him, and maybe probably when should we expect him in court?
Yes, I was there today morning, and even we had breakfast together. He's in good health. So at any time from now, because the file has already been taken before the court that is intended to hear the miscellaneous, so any time from now, we are expecting him to be aligned before that particular court. Mm-hmm. Yes.
Maybe my final question will be, did you succeed in maybe processing the cash bill for all the 12 suspects who were also said to have been with him during that shooting incident?
Yes, we managed to raise all the cash bill. All the cash bill has been paid, mm-hmm. and all the subjects, mm-hmm. all of them have been released from police custody. Okay. This is notwithstanding that the police wanted to detain them for 21 days, mm-hmm. but the court declined mm-hmm. to do that.
Okay.
Yes.
Maybe have you had an opportunity to know maybe what exactly will happen? Is it a miscellaneous application that will be presented in court today, or maybe a plea?
Today, what the police intend to present before court is a miscellaneous application, mm-hmm. wherein they intend to continue to detain the MP of Kuresoi, Alfred Mutai, as they continue with the investigation. Mm-hmm. But we are going to oppose that vehemently because there are no compelling reasons, mm-hmm. in our opinion, that will warrant the court to allow that particular application. Mm-hmm. Yes.
Thank you very much. Indeed, those are the sentiments of the lawyer, Mr. Benson Guto, the lawyer for Kuresoi North Member of Parliament, Mr. Alfred Mutai, who is expected to be presented before magistrate here at the Nakuru Law Courts any minute from now. At the moment, he is still being held at the Nakuru Central Police Station, where he was detained overnight. And also, we heard the release of 12 suspects who were arrested together with the MP, who were arrested at the residence of the MP only hours after the incident that occurred at Nyota area in Kuresoi North. And this is a story that is still developing. We are still keeping our eyes on what shall transpire in the courts, whether the MP shall be released on bail, or maybe the police will manage to convince the court why they should detain him further, as the lawyer has just said. Back to you, Ndu.